In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a collection in Leonardo AI. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your personal feed. Once you're there, you should see a variety of options designed to help you manage your content effectively. Look toward the left sidebar where you'll find multiple tabs listed. Among these, you'll want to locate and click on the Collections tab. This tab is your gateway to organizing and managing the different groups of images or data you've curated within the platform. Now that you have the Collections tab open, the next step is to locate the specific collection you wish to delete. It's important to carefully choose the right one, as collections hold valuable pieces of your project or past work. If you have multiple collections, take your time and scroll through them until you find the exact one you intend to remove. It's always a good idea to double-check to make sure you're selecting the right one, since you don't want to accidentally delete something you need. Once you've found the collection you wish to delete, direct your attention to the right of the collection's name. You'll notice a small icon that looks like 3 dots stacked vertically, often referred to as the ellipsis. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides you with several options regarding what you can do with the collection. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Delete. Once you do this, you'll be prompted with a confirmation pop-up. This is an important step because it prevents accidental deletions and encourages you to make a careful decision. The pop-up will ask you to confirm your action, and it will also present you with 2 choices: whether you'd like to delete just the collection itself, or if you'd prefer to also remove all the images contained within that collection. After making your selection, the final step is to click on Confirm. By clicking Confirm, you're authorizing the system to carry out your chosen deletion action. This step solidifies your decision and removes the collection, along with any images if that was your choice. And there you have it. Before you go, a quick reminder: always ensure that you have backed up any images or data you might need before deleting collections. This way, you're protecting your work and ensuring nothing valuable is lost. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your collections in Leonardo AI.